Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and it's still Review Tuesday. And I still got a couple more things to review. I got to do what's in my mail, but I'm doing this review right now. And this comes from China. And this is the reclining chair. And I thought it was going to be all folded up and everything like that, but it's a lightweight reclining, some kind of a backpack or something. I don't know how I'd carry it on my back, but I'm going to open it. It came in this big box. Let me pick this up for you. So it's not all that lightweight, for me anyway. I'll take it out the box. How's everybody doing? I am doing fine. Just doing my reviews. And it is dark out there. It was sunny and everything, and then all of a sudden it got dark. By the time getting this thing out the box. But you know me, I'll get it out. So they say it's lightweight. I don't see where it's all that lightweight. But again, it's for me, but this is taking the time. Doesn't even want to come out. That's coming. This is not that lightweight. So maybe when it gets out of this box. I'll try this on. I don't know. They packed it in good, that's for sure. So, this is like golf clubs to me. Okay? See this? Okay? It comes in a nice bag. Let's take it out of the bag and let's see it. Got a piece of paper in there. Hope I can read it, because if they have little writing, forget it. It says, it's a Linyco. A message to Linyco customers. Thank you for purchasing the quality product manufactured by Linyco. We pride ourselves with delivering quality, customer-friendly products. We appreciate positive reviews and feedback. So then it gives you how it's done and how it works. Let's see if you can see that. And how it reclines and everything. So let's look at it. Let me take it out the bag. Like I said, this is like almost like a pair of golf clubs. But I guess you can carry it on your back. And it would look good in my yard anyway, so. And of course I had to give it to me now. So this is it. Let's see if we can open it. It's lighter once you get it out the box in the bag, but well, it opens up. This is how it opens up. So it opens up easy. It's got, let's see if I can get this down. It's got 2 of these cup holders on the side. It's a nice looking chair. It really is a nice looking chair. I don't think I can sit in it, but it is a nice looking chair. I may try it when my husband's home because I might not be able to get up out of it like that. But then again, who knows? But anyway, it's by Linyco. It's a nice looking chair. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you later. I love you. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye. God bless you.